This video will guide you through the process of replacing the evaporative emissions purge solenoid on the 2008 Chevrolet Tahoe V8, 5.3 liters. The evaporative emissions EVAP purge solenoid is typically placed beside the engine, near the fuel rail. Begin by removing the solenoid. 1. Remove the air cleaner outlet duct. 2. Unplug the EVAP line quick connect fitting from the EVAP canister purge solenoid. 3. Disconnect the engine wiring harness electrical connector, 2, from the EVAP canister purge solenoid. 4. Detach the chassis EVAP line quick connect fitting from the EVAP canister purge solenoid. 5. Disengage the retainer securing the EVAP canister purge solenoid to the fuel rail. 6. Remove the EVAP canister purge solenoid. Finish by installing a new EVAP purge solenoid. 1. Reinstall the EVAP canister purge solenoid to the fuel rail and engage the retainer. 2. Reconnect the engine wiring harness electrical connector, 2, to the EVAP canister purge solenoid. 3. Reconnect the chassis EVAP line quickly connect the fitting to the EVAP canister purge solenoid. 4. Reconnect the EVAP line and quick connect fitting to the EVAP canister purge solenoid. 5. Reinstall the air cleaner outlet duct. That concludes the procedure for replacing the evaporative emissions purge solenoid on the Chevrolet Tahoe V8, 5.3 liters. Thanks for watching.